afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Marion Chamber of Commerce ribbon cutting. My name is Garrison, and I'm the chairman of the board this year. And we are here to celebrate S.K. Walker Law Firm, which I so want to call Skywalker Law Firm. And he said that that's okay, so I had to get that in. We're very honored that you started your career in Marion and then went to across the pond to Carbondale, and now you've come back to Marion. Yes. So we're very glad for that.
Very happy.
We're honored that you wanted to be a member of the Marion Chamber of Commerce. We would like to welcome you to the city of Marion.
Thank you. I'm very honored to be here.
And with that, I'll ask the mayor of the city of Marion to give us a few words.
Scott, likewise, I want to congratulate you on opening your law firm here, or bringing it here, I guess. And I guess Carbondale's loss is all gain, so I won't shed any tears over that one. But what I wanted to tell all of you, I don't know if you've had a chance, and if you haven't, I think you should take a chance. I just happened to cross your website, and there's a little short introductory video on there that was impressive to me. And the comment that you made, if you haven't watched it, please go do, because here's what struck a chord with me, is that I'm paraphrasing your words, I may chop them up a little bit, but you said, that there's not really any new problem under the sun, but there's new approaches to those problems, and that's your goal, is to help your clients find a way, and then you made sure to say a legal way.
A legal way.
Which I appreciated. I thought, it was kind of at the end, I thought, was that an afterthought?
It's actually our tagline now, so.
Well, I think I'm mentioning this because that struck a chord with me, and it's impressive, because what impressed me about that is I truly feel like Marion is blessed with a number of business people that think like that.
Yes.
That we really don't have new problems, we just have the same old ones over and over, and we keep sometimes trying the same solutions over and over, and many have said that's the definition of insanity. So I think Marion is blessed with people that treat old problems with new perspectives, and so for that reason alone, I welcome you so much to our community. I think you've got a lot to add specifically to downtown here, as we're trying to imagine 100-year-old plus buildings and atmosphere and make it relevant for the next century. So I think you're a perfect fit for Marion, Illinois, and I'm so glad that you're here. So if there's anything that Marion can do, the city of Marion specifically, to help you, please let us know. You've got my card, and you know where I'm at. Just up 2 blocks from the clock, right? So anyway, thank you so much, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Just one more plug for his website. That video really is very impressive. I also saw it, so log on this afternoon and check it out. This time, it's the country ribbon.
Okay, great. So I'm going to have my wife, who I couldn't have done this without, and the rest of my staff, help with the ribbon cutting, because today is also her birthday.
Should we sing? Yeah, should we sing?
I think so.
I think so.
I may pay for it later. Yes.
Before we go?
No.
That's up to you. You want to sing before we cut? Happy
birthday to you.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marion. Happy birthday to you.
Welcome to the Marion Chamber of Commerce
Thank
and
you
the
so
city
much.
of Marion.
Thank you for coming out, everybody, too. I have to say a couple without boring everybody. I know it's hot. I don't want to say too much, but the video does say a lot about us. We had some really good help with some good marketing people, and there's some marketing people here present that we're hoping to work with too. But that really was an ad hoc thought when I was trying to explain what we did, almost just talking during that. Of course, it was edited. But that correction at the end was very important to me, and I'm glad it rang a bell with a few people, because I bring in my mechanic background of many years to the practice of law. So I'm labeling myself partially as the law mechanic. So I approach every problem as if you were to take your car in and diagnose it, let you know what's wrong, how we're going to fix it, what it's going to cost, and then we use that approach rather than a traditional somebody who hasn't been out in 20 years in the corporate world, in the repair world, analyzing problems and trying to fix them. So that's why I said we'll find a way. That's what mechanics have to do with vehicles. And I worked on very large vehicles in the mining industry, which is appropriate for Southern Illinois as well. And so to take those and apply it to the field of law, I think is very important. And that's why I had to throw in, sure, we'll find a way, but we'll find a legal way. So that's now become our tagline out of pure coincidence. And I think it plays well with, like the mayor said, with what's going on down here. So we like the fact that the new murals, I just had a friend come over from Cape Girardeau, and they hadn't been here in a couple of years, love the way Marion looks now. So we, and the way Maryland looks too. So, and she was impressed, and she thought it'd be a good fit. So I've heard this over and over and over, so the mayor's not alone, that I think we're a good fit, and that's why we wanted to be here. We've been here since